Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to view, update, or delete saved passwords and passkeys on your iPhone using the Passwords app. Before you start, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18, since the Passwords app is available starting with that version. First, open the Passwords app on your iPhone. When prompted, unlock the app using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your device passcode. Once you're inside the app, you'll see different categories and shared groups. Tap on a category or shared group, then select the website or app you want to view. Your saved password or passkey will appear on the screen. From here, you can view the login details for that website or app. If you want to update a password, tap Edit, then select Change Password and follow the on-screen steps. If you want to delete a password or passkey, tap Edit and then choose Delete Password or Delete Passkey. If you're using iOS 17 or earlier, select the website or app first, then tap Delete Password or Delete Passkey. And that's how you view, update, or delete saved passwords and passkeys on your iPhone using the Passwords app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.